G'day everyone, welcome back to Pete's Investing. Today is February 22, 2023. This is the nat gas price update. Now we did put this sort of key support area here on the 4-hour chart, and that was where the price was consolidating for some time. You can see here on the daily the price was stubbornly staying around that area for some time. Overnight it did close significantly lower than that, and the CCI on the 4-hour chart is continuing to turn down from its moving average. That's the 400 moving average, and that's the moving average 20. On the daily, similarly, the CCI is still in a pretty strong decline. However, on the hourly chart, it's still in its divergence, trending up on the CCI versus the price chart. Now, we did draw also this Fibonacci extension on the 4-hour chart. It did was hovering around that area, around the 38% level last time, and we did say it may come down and rest on the 50% level, and it's actually hit that target. And now we're sort of midway between the 50 and the 61% Fibonacci's. So it may well come further declines in the price and reach the 61% Fibonacci, or if it's continuing its downtrend, it may well come down to the 78%. But let's say it's going to hit the 61% at the moment. And as I keep saying in these videos, and I'm going to repeat it again, but if we need to see a stronger decline, and we need to see this Fibonacci, this CCI break to the downside to be more bearish and more confident about bearish movements on the downside. Otherwise, to be more bullish, and there's no sign of a reversal yet, we need to see the 4-hour chart break to the upside on the CCI, and some strong moves on the price chart also above this key support area, but also on the daily chart likewise for the CCI to come closer and break above its moving average. But there's a long way to go for that yet. So at the moment, very bearish signals at the moment, and we may see a break towards the 61, well, a move towards the 61% level on the 4-hour chart at least. To understand how to properly trade using the average down process, reference the playlist at the end of the video and some links in the description below. Here are some of my investing rules. Buy proven blue chip stocks only, avoid speculative stocks. The reason for that is blue chip stocks have generally got a good history and a good track record, and you want to avoid going speculative because you're not sure where that stock, especially if it hasn't got any history, you want to avoid making just guesses or gambling on potential trades. Buy stocks which pay dividends. The reason for that is if the price goes against you and you're not closing out according to gaining a profit in the short term, at least you're getting some level of income via dividends. If the stock price goes against you, don't short positions, go long only. So again, similar to the blue chip environment, if you're going to go short, you're basically speculating, and if you are going short and you have to pay dividends, the dividends will be paid to those traders that are going long. So that'll be just an extra cost in your trade. And don't trade on news. Price is already factored in the share price. If all the insiders have generally benefited from any inside knowledge of the news, and so by the time it hits the websites or the papers, you're getting late on the bus, so you're going to be missing out on any potential gains. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe and the like button and click the notification bell to get all the updates to the channel. If you want to support the channel, subscribe to the Patreon page. The link is in the description below. Happy investing, and speak to you in the next video.